So now let's formally devise our linear search algorithm. Let's look at it in terms of steps. The first step is to start from the leftmost element of the array. One by one, then we move on to the second step, which is one by one we iterate through all the elements of the array and compare the query element x with each and every element of the array. If x matches with the element, then we return the index of the matched element. If x does not match the with any of the element, then we return -1. So let's look at the pseudocode of the first let's take a look at the example. So say we want to find 8. So we go through the array, we iterate, we find 8. 8 is at index 0, so we return 0 here. Now let's see, we want to find element 5. So first we look at the 0th index, 8, which does not match, then 12, then 5. We found a match. So then we return the index of element 5, which will be in return 2. Next, let's say we want to find 7. So we iterate through the array. We look at 8, it does not match. We look at 12, does not match. 5, no. 8, no. 10, no. 20, no. -1, no. 51, no. So we find that the element is not present in the array. In this case, we return -1. So now let's look at the pseudocode of the algorithm. So we have a function linear search which takes the array and the query element. Alright, and then we iterate through every element of the array. So I is our iteration, it keeps the track of our index of the array. And then if array of I, which is the element which we are iterating through, is equal to the query element, then we return the index I. Otherwise, and after iterating through all the elements, if we still do not find the element, then in that case we return -1.